Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.05 Points about door openings and panels. Doors use format number 2 cost workup sheets. Doors require 2 sets of dimensions. First, door opening size dimensions. Second, door panel size dimensions. Doors are identified starting from the left from the customer's viewpoint. There may be 1, 2, or more doors in a single opening. To accommodate the positions, there are all or left, middle, and right positions. All is used when there is more than one door of the same size in one opening, or all doors are the same size in multiple openings. Left is the default for a single door in an opening. Right occurs when there are 2, 3, or more doors of different sizes in an opening. Middle occurs when there are 3 or more doors in one opening. Define the doors to suit your needs. This example 1.3.05 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.3.06.